Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2014 Buick Encore. Stock number is A7483. Starting right away up front, you have a waterfall chrome grille. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels wrapped with Continental tires. Inside, a combination of leather and cloth interior provides a very comfortable ride. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a rear backup camera, and this Encore is all-wheel drive. So on those wintry Wisconsin days, you won't be sliding all over the road. There's a 60/40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls, full touchscreen that includes your stereo, climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Encore on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.